Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Mitsubishi Outlander oil light, updated. Start with engine off, turn ignition to on without starting, press and hold the trip reset button until the oil light blinks or resets, release and cycle ignition off then on to confirm the light is clear, and check the owner manual for maintenance reminders and any dash confirmations before driving. Do this in a safe, parked location. If the oil light does not reset, stay calm and follow a few checks to isolate the issue. Confirm the battery has adequate charge and terminals are tight, inspect the trip reset button for sticking or damage, and scan for any stored warning codes that indicate sensor or system faults. If codes appear or the light returns, schedule a service visit to avoid driving with unresolved oil or engine warnings. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you work on your car. I use a favorite water bottle that seals tight and fits cup holders. It even survives grease and garage floors with a smile. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Regular maintenance reduces false alerts and keeps the oil light meaningful. So stick to service intervals and use the recommended oil type and capacity. Keep records of every oil change and filter replacement, and place receipts or reset reminders in the glove compartment for quick reference. Clean around the trip reset button so dirt does not interfere, and consider a basic OBD-ROMAN2 scan during routine service to catch any minor issues early before they become costly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.